enforcement agencies across the globe are operating at their breaking point. Departments face a severe staffing shortage, compromising their ability to protect communities. This chart shows the specific data driving the crisis. Resignations have increased by 47% over recent years, while 87% of agencies report they are not fully staffed. Over 70% of departments say hiring is harder now than 5 years ago. When fewer officers cover more ground, the consequences are immediate. Emergency response times climb, public services get reduced, and the remaining officers burn out under the crushing workload. Simply trying to recruit out of this deficit is failing. To save lives and restore operational efficiency, public safety requires a highly integrated, technology-driven operational model. The solution to this vacuum is the Force Multiplier, technology designed to amplify the capabilities of a shrinking workforce, allowing a single person to safely manage the work of many. This digital ecosystem relies on 3 technological pillars: AI triage for managing emergency communications, unmanned response for physical field support, and digital integrity for securing evidence. This digital framework bridges the critical staffing gap, augmenting human capability in the environments where resources are spread thinnest. Picture a modern emergency communication center during a major citywide event. Call volumes rapidly surge, creating a backlog that pushes human operators to their cognitive limits. To alleviate this bottleneck, artificial intelligence is implemented as a first-line triage tool. It steps in to analyze and categorize every incoming 911 call. This software processes language in real time, translating over 35 languages instantly. Simultaneously, it analyzes semantic patterns in a caller's voice to detect severe stress. Once analyzed, the AI diverts non-urgent requests away from the main queue and into automated reporting portals. Stripping away administrative noise and language barriers preserves human dispatchers for high-stakes, life-or-death emergencies where every second matters. The physical response phase is also changing. To gain immediate situational awareness, agencies are launching drone as first responder programs. These systems use strict operational triggers. The moment a keyword like weapon or gun is mentioned on a 911 call, a drone launches, providing a live aerial feed before a patrol car is even assigned. On the ground, officers deploy autonomous physical support, including quadruped robotics and advanced humanoid platforms. These machines handle hazardous or repetitive tasks. They use integrated sensors to map GPS-denied environments like building interiors and conduct high-visibility foot patrols in public parks. In practice, unmanned systems serve as expendable physical backups. They absorb the initial dangers of an unknown environment, reducing the physical risk and operational burden on human officers. Once a physical scene is secured, investigators must document the environment and secure the evidence for the courtroom. Agencies are moving away from manual tape measurements. By utilizing smartphone LiDAR sensors and 3D photogrammetry, investigators map the complete spatial geometry of an entire room in minutes. However, this detailed digital evidence faces a modern vulnerability: the rise of AI-generated deepfakes and advanced data tampering. To counter this threat, departments assign a unique cryptographic hash, a specific mathematical fingerprint, via blockchain, the exact moment the evidence is recorded. This decentralized chain of custody creates an unchangeable record. It proves exactly who handled the file and confirms that the data presented in a courtroom has not been modified. This technological framework is already active in major cities. In Phoenix, Arizona, the police department uses an AI call triage system to field non-emergency prompts across 36 languages, slashing wait times for callers who need immediate help. Meanwhile, authorities in Guangzhou, China, deploy a layered system, utilizing overhead drones for crowd flow awareness, while humanoid robots handle public interactions and safety messaging on the streets. Offloading repetitive administration and tactical risk allows officers to prioritize the work machines cannot do: complex investigation, split-second judgment, and direct human empathy. The modern police department functions as a unified digital ecosystem, where physical presence is constantly supported by a layer of virtual awareness. With hardware costs dropping, AI models improving, and the systemic demand to save lives rising, This operational shift is inevitable. Ultimately, the future of public safety in our increasingly complex world relies on embracing this technology as a true force multiplier.